All right, so if you're with me on foam roller, and I have a fancy foam roller that has knots in it, a plain foam roller will do just as well. So it's no big deal. Just going to concentrate on the legs. I want to get the glutes. I want to the glutes. This is not your glutes. I want to get your quads. I want to get the glutes. I want to get this IT band and maybe a little on the calf just to get loosened up today. So I'm going to start on the quads. So I'm going to face down on the floor. Get that roller in, and then I'm going to kind of tilt, so I'm only doing one leg at a time. So all my body weight is on that leg, and if you've got some knots, that could be a little painful, so you may need to put both legs on it to take some pressure off that leg. All right, so I'm just going to roll until I find a sore spot. It didn't take me long. I've got one, and we want to just kind of concentrate on that sore spot with a gentle rocking motion. And just rub that in and try to get rid of that knot there. And then I'm going to move down a little bit and see if, oh yeah, I found another sore spot. All right. Now, before I go to the other leg, I'm going to go ahead while I'm here and roll over to my side. And I'm getting this IT band on the side there. So same thing, you're going to roll until you find a sore spot. Then you're going to sit there a minute and just kind of work on it, just rubbing it. Just imagine if someone was rubbing your back and you found something sore and you go, oh, stay there. And they just really dig into it. That's what this foam roller does. It's kind of a self-massage technique. All right, now we're going to go the other leg on the quad. So I'm tilting the other direction. So many sore things. Just a nice gentle rock in there on that sore spot. And I'm kind of guessing, I'm not timing. You want 20 to 30 seconds. It takes that long for the muscles to kind of release. All right, now I'm going to roll over, give you another view here of that IT band. See that I'm completely on my side. Now this leg, the top leg, I've got that foot down, and it can help take some body weight off of the roller because it can get really intense on this IT band. It can get pretty painful if it has a lot of knots in it and if it's really tight. So if we sit a lot in your everyday life, if you have a desk job, that could be part of the reason why it's tight. So keeping them rolled out, keeping them stretched will just make you feel better. It feels better for the low back. It's better for the low back. It's better for the knees. It's better for the hips. Love my foam roller. And relax. All right, so I'm kind of rolling over on it. I want to get the glutes. Kind of rolling over and having a seat. Tilted on one side. All right, now you can just go here, or if you want to make it a little more intense, I'm going to cross this ankle right there on the knee. Oh, there it is, baby. You got to stay there for just a hot minute. Don't hold your breath. You got this. A little pain. And we are just switching sides. I'm just going to kind of tilt over to the other side. Find that sore spot. And if you want to put the ankle on the knee, you can. You do not have to. Just makes it deeper. Just do what you're ready for, all right? This one doesn't seem to be quite as bad sore as the other one. And now I'm bringing it down. I don't have a lot of trouble with my hamstrings being tight. If you do, this is what a hamstring looks like. Keeping the leg that's on the roller stiff. I'm just going to do it real quick and then get the other side. Like I said, I don't have a lot of trouble with that. If you have trouble with it, you stay here for a minute. All right, I'm moving on. I'm moving on to calves. So one leg at a time. So you want to kind of roll until you find a sore spot, and you may even have to turn the leg to find it. I found one, so what do? I'm going to sit down, put this leg on top of the other, and do a gentle rock. Oh yeah. Gentle rock. I'm not surprised that this calf is a little tight, because this knee's been bothering me a little bit. And usually when the knee's bothering you, you've got some tight muscles, whether they are causing the knee pain or whether they're compensating because of the knee pain. If you've got some knee pain, you've got some tight muscles somewhere. Regardless if they are the product of the pain or if they are the cause of the pain, they'll usually help it a little bit. All right, switching sides. Rotate until you find a tight spot. And have a seat, put that other leg on top, and it's a gentle rock. Now, if this is bringing tears to your eyes, your muscles are way too tight. You need to maybe invest in a massage. You need to do some stretching on your own and get on that foam roller until it doesn't hurt anymore. All right? 3, 2, 1. We are done. Your legs should be ready to play now. We'll see.